All right, Negative Nancy's, let me start by saying this is my first time trying banana pudding. I'm not the best at cooking, but I am a single father and I try a variety of things for my kiddos. So instead of belittling in the comments, educate me if you see something wrong or you think I could do something better. I know some people swear by doing everything from scratch, but some of us just don't have the time for that. This is, I believe, a 5-ingredient quick way to make it that's still very tasty. I'm filming in real time as I make my pudding. These are the ingredients and tools I figure I needed from the jump. In hindsight, I think I'll use Cool Whip topping that comes in a tub next time. I asked Facebook did they use vanilla or banana pudding mix, and the vast majority said both, so I grabbed 2 of each. This is my mama in the kitchen all in my video. I started with mixing up my pudding mix so it'll be set by the time it's ready to pour in. If you use almond milk, understand your ratios. You have to use 3/4 the amount of milk it calls for on the package if you want it to thicken up. I like my pudding thick as Bernice. If you don't lift, you'll show because you struggle getting the bag open. As you see, I breezed through it. I got down eye level with my pan so I could accurately eyeball how many Nilla wafers I needed for my first layer. This is how it looked. I didn't realize I had the minis until I made it home. I started by pulling the strings out of my bananas, then I chopped them up and placed them on top of my first layer of wafers. I'm using a stainless steel African banana cutting knife. Use caution not to cut yourself. My family doesn't really mess with bananas in their banana pudding, so I'm only gonna chop up 1 banana in mine. This is how it looked. I continue to whip and pour my pudding mix on top of my wafers and bananas. By this time, it should be set enough that it isn't runny. If it's runny, you're not a dummy. Just add a little bit more powder mix to it and whip it up some more. I again smooth it out to prepare for my next layer of wafers. Sorry, but I'm cooking tacos at the same time so my babies can eat before they jump into the pudding. I now start to layer wafers on top of the pudding. Is this necessary? I really don't know if it's necessary to layer it neatly, but this is what I saw others do, so I'm only following suit. Being that I bought minis, this is a tedious task, but I'm gonna see it through. Whew, finally done. Spreading my whipped cream evenly over the wafers I just laid down. I ended by crushing up the remaining wafers to essentially make my wafer garnish. I have a lot of experience making my right hand go up and down. Sprinkle that ooh-wee on top of the whipped cream. I did get messy with my crumbs and whipped cream, but I clean it up before throwing it in the ice box to chill and for the wafers to soften up. It should sit for a couple of hours, but the next day is always best. Here's my Spanish rice, ground beef for my tacos, and charro beans ready for my kiddos to eat before the pudding. Now here's the taste test. Okay, Ashley, you're gonna be the first one to try it. Tell me what it tastes like. Is it good? All right. You want some?
You'll taste the banana. I'm scared. I'm gonna go get my spoon.
What'd you say?
I said let me try it.
Did you try it? Try it. Let me see what it tastes like. Is it good?
I'm gonna move this for a snack.
Huh?
School. I would want this for snack for school.
A school snack? All right.
I just want this
What'd you say?
as a cowboy.
Can you have some more? I guess you have a little bit more. It's the least we can do.
That's good.
You need some more too?
It's good.
It's good.
It's gonna taste like oil.
Here, come on. You got it all on your face. There you go, sir. All right, we got the last taste test of the day. The kids already said it was a hit. I tasted it was probably a 10 out of 10. Now, I'm gonna give you some, Cam. I know you ain't gonna cap, gonna keep it a fact. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what it's hitting for. First time ever. I ain't put that much bananas in it.
I don't like.
Yeah, a lot of people don't like them bananas. What it's hitting for? It's for real. It's alright, huh? Hell yeah, it's good, right? I just think probably more of that wafer crumble on top probably next time. I ain't know I had got the mini ones, you feel me? But it's good, yeah, I mess with it. So I know what to do better next time and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate you, you know what I'm saying? Slat. Overall, I gave the taste a 10 out of 10. It was really tasty. Cam and the kids enjoyed it. I know Cam wouldn't fib to me. Yeah, so follow me for more easy ways to cook some easy, delicious meals.